Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. And let's jump right into the video. Yeah. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about three things: performance, quality, and should you buy this PC. So I tried two games. I tried two of the recent games that just came out the other day. I tried Call of Duty Vanguard and Call of Duty Warzone. So I'm gonna show two clips of those games so y'all could like see how the game look if y'all planning on buying this PC. Performance. Have this PC now for over 2 months, no stuttering, no crashing. The PC performs very well. FPS. So this is the amount of frames I'm getting on low settings, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to turn up your settings because you're not gonna get as many frames as I'm getting. So keep it on low settings and you should be good. So second up, quality. This PC is gonna give you 1080p resolution, so it's not bad, it's very good. As you can see, it's very clear, I'm seeing everything. It's very good. Yeah. And last but not least, should you buy this PC? Yes, you should buy this PC. Not sponsored, by the way, but I play two of the biggest games right now and it performs very well, so why shouldn't you buy this PC? I recommend you could play any games. So yeah, you should grab this PC while you can. And yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And take care, man. It was a great one. Peace.